Welcome to another episode of the coin flip trading, a strategy that we use in order to determine the entries for our trades solely based on the coin flip. You get heads, you buy, you get tails, you sell. It's as simple as that. And today's topic is actually going to be the time frames. Of course, before we jump into the actual trading, just like we do in every single video. If you are interested in this concept, what you need to do is to follow me along the way if you're interested. And in order to do that, you have to click on the subscribe button, and that's how you become part of this project. So let's actually talk about the time frames. Usually, we always talk about some topics and the way that these things apply to our strategy, because that is important. So of course, the time frames, there are different time frames in Forex and in trading, as you know. So you go from 1 minute all the way to 1 week and month charts, where each candle represents that time frame. In general, the use of the time frames is to pretty much to determine a larger trend or some price action that may be unfolding on the chart. But for our strategy, it's actually something different because, as you know, we don't use technical analysis. We don't focus on any indicators or anything like that to determine the direction of the trend or where the price is going to go. But what we focus on instead is the time it takes for the trade to actually close, how long it's actually going to go, and the ATR is the only indicator, so the amount by which the candle moves up or down. Refer to the ATR video if you want to know more about that one. So in order to get the result as fast as possible, we should in theory use the 1 minute graph, because that one goes by really fast. But if you want to use that one, there is only small amount that the market actually goes one direction or the other, and that's why you would really need a lot of money to put into the market, and you would get the result within a couple of minutes. But that is, you would really need a lot of money in your trading account, and we are trading with just 2,000 euros. Fake money, of course, but that's not the point. The point is that based on my observation in the past, I've noticed that the 4-hour time frame gives us a good amount of time for the trade to be completed. It's always within a couple of hours, and it's okay with our money management and our account balance. So that's why we are probably going to be using that one for our trading. Okay, but in order to get started with the trading, we need to find an instrument that we want to trade. To be honest, at the moment, I still have no idea what I'm going to go with. The point is that everything should be random as far as the technical stuff goes. So let's just go with Forex, and let's just go with something like USD CAD pair. It's not really that important, and let's switch to 4-hour time frame. Now let's actually get the ATR, because that is important, as you know, for me and for our trading, just to see what the amount actually is. 14 is the period, and it's about 66. So 66 pips is the result. Now we can begin with the trading. In order to determine the direction, of course, let's flip a coin. Flip a coin.
It's heads this time.
So as you can see, it's heads this time. So that means that we are buying. So let me just set everything up. We are on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. So let's set the take profit for just about 1 ATR away from our current price in the direction that we are actually buying. Now apparently, as you can see, we have that the stop loss is at 40 euros, because that is the 2% of our account, and let's hit buy. Just because it told us that we need to buy because we got hits. So that's how it's actually going to work. And now all we have to do is just to wait to see what's really going to happen after the trade is going to be completed. So I will update you in just about a couple of hours, most likely. Okay, so this trade has hit stop loss at 1:33 p.m., which, as you know, and as you can probably tell, isn't good news. That means that we lost money with this one. But that's also part of the game. Let's keep going. We're still positive overall, and let's see, and let's get to the 10 trades to see the actual results. I want to say thank you very much for watching and supporting me along the way. And if you want to stay updated and watch me perform the trades to see if this strategy, the coin flip, actually works, make sure to subscribe and never miss anything important in the future. Have a nice day and see you guys later in the next episode.